Hello there guys and welcome back. This is Scienceorzo. Today we're going to focus about biomolecules. Your body is made up of 75% water, and if we took the water out of it, you are mostly remain with these four biomolecules. So what are they? Carbohydrate, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates and lipids are pretty much simple because they are made up with carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But proteins and nucleic acids are a bit complex. Proteins are made up with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, and maybe sometimes sulfur also. Nucleic acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. So first let's focus on carbohydrates. The hydrogen to oxygen ratio in carbohydrates are always equal to 2:1. Carbohydrates are of mainly three types: monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharide is the structural unit of carbohydrates. They are simple sugars. They are sweet in taste and also water soluble or hydrophilic molecules. There are three main types of them as glucose, fructose, galactose. Now disaccharide is a molecule formed by joining two monosaccharides. For example, glucose and fructose make up sucrose, while glucose and glucose makes up maltose, and glucose and galactose made up lactose. This reaction is also known as condensation because a water molecule is produced at the end of the reaction. So if the reaction happened in the other direction, it is known as hydrolysis. You can see maltose in germinating seeds and sucrose can be seen in sugar canes and beetroot. In dairy products, you can see lactose. This is the only sugar which is not present in plants. Polymerization of large number of molecules form a polysaccharide molecule. Three main types of polysaccharides are starch, cellulose and glycogen. Starch stores glucose in plants and chlorophytes. Glycogen can be seen in animals and fungi. In animals, they can be seen mostly in the liver. Cellulose can be seen in plant cell walls and cannot be digested by humans. After discussing carbohydrates, let's move into lipids, and what I mean here is fats and oils. Lipids which are solid at room temperature is known as fats, while lipids which are liquid at room temperature is known as oils. Fatty acid and glycerol molecule react with each other to form a fat molecule. The properties of fat molecule are changed according to the nature of fatty acid molecule and number of fatty acid molecules. Lipids are significant to life as they form different structural components in cell membranes. Burning lipids give us more energy than any other. Next, let's focus on proteins. Protein is a complex molecule made up of polymerized amino acids. There are 20 different amino acids in proteins, while 10 of them are essential, which means you have to consume it daily. They are so special molecules because they make up 17% of your body. They act as enzymes, hormones and antibodies. When energy produced by carbohydrates and lipids are not sufficient, proteins are used in energy generation. Finally, we have nucleic acids. The monomer of nucleic acid is nucleotide. Each nucleotide is made up of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar group and phosphate group. There are two different types of nucleic acids as DNA and RNA. DNA is responsible for all genetic characteristics and tells how to perform every single function of your cell. It's like a code in a computer program. RNA is important in protein synthesis and storing genetic information in some viruses. So these are the four biomolecules in living matter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this. See you guys soon in another video. Bye bye.